Hello, before friends watch the clip, please press follow to cheer up. 2022 BMW iX3 LCI, new all-electric SUV with 286 horsepower. After the BMW X3 launched a facelift or LCI not long ago on the code G01 until the disciples asked about the world. BMW Germany that the electric version of the BMW iX3 will have a facelift or not, even though this model has just been launched in the world market since last year. Latest BMW take on the role of a fast-paced tiger launched a facelifted version in the code G08, following the regular BMW X3, which has been adjusted to look similar to the normal version, but adjusted better than the previous BMW iX3. Since the double kidney grille at this event is designed to be larger with the bumper. The new sporty face design is clearly different from the regular X3, adaptive LED headlights with LED laser light headlights, a slimmer design, the same design as the normal models, new 3-dimensional L-shaped LED tail lights, new L. The interior is identical to the BMW X3 LCI in all respects, a new version of the entertainment system. Controlled by the latest operating system, the BMW operating system 7.0 is packed with many features. BMW Connected Drive, iDrive, voice control and BMW gesture control via the new 10.25-inch high-resolution display, the new BMW Live Cockpit Professional, 12.3-inch driving gauge, quality speakers, Harman Kardon, controlled display, BMW head-up display and a wide cabin area. And the luggage area that folds the rear seat 40, 20, 40, has up to 510 1,560 liters of space, or 3-spoke multi-function steering wheel, M design, with a silver rim under the blue-white fan badge logo, a push start button, a blue rim and indispensable. Can be matched with a set of leather upholstery and a variety of styling options. Electric power remains the same with the efficiency of electric power. Rear-wheel drive with eDrive technology. The 5th generation packs a 80 kWh lithium-ion battery pack that produces 286 horsepower at 6,000 revmin and 400 Nm of torque. A maximum range of 460 km from one full charge, paired with a single-speed automatic transmission in a single charge, normally charges up to 7.5 hours. Creating an acceleration of 0-100 km per hour in 6.8 seconds before reaching a top speed of 180 km/h. It comes with an adaptive recuperation system that improves performance and comfort during driving and the BMW Driving Assistant Professional Safety System. The BMW iX3 LCI has opened the assembly line at the Chinese factory in Shenyang, with global deliveries starting in September of this year. As for Thailand, will get a new face or not, please stay tuned.